Mommy, please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Why would life lay perfection on such an unserious human being like Annabelle? It's not like I'm envious of her. All I want is just to have a better life.
Creamy. And then you're shy.
I wish I can just live just a day in her shoe.
Rest in the name of the Lord.
It's a bigger operation.
Girls just wanna have
all the
fun.
speculation.
Bye,
Had to
girls.
close the store for renovation. My cousin said storms, man, they're running out of patience, you know.
I blame it on life.
Time to make a
Heaven bears me witness that I have tried everything possible to give you promising future. But you have decided to besmirch my reputation by becoming useless. Is that what you really think of me?
Do not endanger your life in the name of enjoyment. You should better think, rethink, and know why you're here.
Go to hell. Have you ever heard of love at first sight?
This is stupidness at first sight.
Come on, don't speak to him like that.
I feel like strangling you so that I would live on earth alone. Ian, come back now. I'm not done talking to you. Come back here. I need the key. I need the key. Come back here. Come back here. I need the key. Get me the key. Mrs. Ian, you will not kill me. Your drama is much.
I'm not gonna kill you. You're my calling. I go kill Mr. White yourself.
What did you say? I said give me my tenfold.
That's not reason me and you and Madam go stop talk this matter.
Chronic liar. That's who you are. Do not test my temperament, else I will make here a living hell for you. Don't test me.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.